Kind of growing up, I've always wanted to be an engineer.
I grew up doing road construction with my dad, so I've kind of been around some different civil engineers my whole life.
So I'm going more into like computer engineering, computer science.
I was kind of decent at math, so a lot of people suggested that I try out engineering.
Lots of great teachers, professors. You can always just come in, talk to them, and have any questions.
After getting the EA and having experienced some engineering classes, I've discovered that I really liked it and enjoyed doing it.
The Intro to Engineering class is really interesting. I thought it was going to be super hard. I was like, I don't know anything about this.
We learned a lot about different kinds of engineering, so it kind of helped me narrow down what kind of one, because there's so many different kinds.
I was kind of unsure what field I wanted to go into, what I was interested in, and so having all those guest speakers come in and kind of talk about their everyday life and what that looks like was super cool.
We also did a lot of field trips, which was really cool. Got to know like how everything works behind like the engineering process and everything.
One really fun project that we worked on was building a crane out of connects. That one specifically really helped get the point across with like resource management, working with your team, budget. There was a lot of constraints that we had to follow that I feel like applied to like real world scenarios.
Well, the favorite project is mostly the bridge. Maximum load that I made was about 230 pounds, so that was pretty fun.
We designed robots to play in a game of soccer, and me being a soccer guy, I thought that was a lot of fun.
I feel like it helps set you up for whenever you do get into the field and you have to work with people and you have to learn to communicate and work with constraints.
About the specific engineering classes, I've taken statics and mechanics of materials, and I liked them way better than just regular math classes because they actually had a purpose.
You use math to describe how the real world works, and that's something that's very interesting.
I'm also taking the Intro to Mining Engineering. Really interesting. You get to know a lot about the mines, like how everything works, the equipment they use, surface mining, underground mining, and I never thought I would learn about this, but it's a really cool experience.
The computer programming class I was enrolled in this semester was lots of fun. You kind of get in there and jump right in, and first week you're building programs and you get to just watch all this stuff just come to life.
STEM Club is like to do with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
It's just a lot of students get together. We have pizza.
We did lots of projects this year, and it's great to have it on a resume, and it's just lots of fun.
You do a lot of building. You can do community projects like they do a haunted house usually every year, or they help out with the engineering day, which is a really fun experience.
That got me to be more outgoing, like met new people, making friends.
If you're like on the edge, if you should go into engineering or not, I would say go for it.
Some people are scared of engineering with all the math and science you have to do, but if that's something you want to do and if you have the drive to study and go to class, I mean, it's not that hard if you try.
EA is nice on my wallet. I don't have to spend a lot of money.
The classrooms are like no bigger than 25, so you get to talk to your instructor one-to-one if you need help.
I've been able to do welding programs, the CAD program. That's one of the greatest strengths at EAC is that you're able to do more than just your degree.
Everyone wants to see you succeed, so it's a great school.
Just come to EAC, it's a great experience.